Hey, what's up everyone? I trust you're well and hope life is treating you good. I'm taking on some advice from some better YouTubers, and that's to just hit the record button. Okay, I've got to stop procrastinating. I've got to stop thinking about it too much. I've just got to hit record and start getting some content up on my channel. Okay, so here goes. First of all, my name's Emmanuel, proud Australian Christian. Been living in this great land since 1988. I'm an avid camper that studies survival and bushcraft. I've been all and up and down the eastern seaboard. In recent times, I've spent 3 years off-grid with my 2 dogs and 9 chickens. I had an awesome adventure. I learned a lot about myself, and I really got to hone my skills. Okay, but to be honest with you, towards the end, I had some really bad luck. Okay, I contracted a virus that attacked my heart, my lungs, and my brain, which led to my dogs dying from the infection and myself nearly dying. I was diagnosed with heart failure, and 4 years ago, I was fitted with a pacemaker, and I've been recovering ever since. I've been rebuilding my life and trying to get stronger. Okay, the good news is everything at the moment is excellent. Okay, everything right now in my life is really good. I've got the clearance from my cardiologist to go camping, so I'm off. Okay, I'm going camping. I kind of missed the boat with summer camping. I had far too much on. I'm a writer, so I was busy writing my book, and I had too many family events to go to, so I missed the boat with summer camping. But it's winter now here in Sydney, and I've got just about everything I need to do a winter camp. Okay, and I hope you come along with me. At the moment, I'm just waiting for a power station. Yeah, that's it. I got my drone. So I got my drone. I'm just waiting for a power station, and then I'm ready to go into the wilderness. Okay, so I hope you come along with me. Okay, so right now I'm going to show you something called the Sun Buddy. Okay, in my condition, I've got to work smarter and not harder. Okay, the days of me carrying 17-20 kilos on my back and hiking are over. Okay, I just can't do that anymore. But I can carry 10 kilos on my back, and using a trolley, I can carry all the stuff that I need in and out of camp. Okay, so I'll show you that now. Okay, under my bed, I keep the Sun Buddy. This is the Sun Buddy. Okay, I've got to camp smarter and not harder these days. So I can achieve that by using this camping trolley. Now, I think it's originally designed for the beach because it came with beach wheels. Okay, but I've got the all-terrain wheels on at the moment. But this is what I'm going to be using, okay? So I can obviously use it like a chair. Okay. And with a placemat, I can use it like a little table to cook on, okay? My gas stove will work fine on that. But the Sun Buddy can carry 100 kilos without a problem. It's fairly lightweight. It's got pockets in the back. Visor on top. But yeah, that's what I'm going to use to carry my water, my power station, my drone, and anything else I can think of that I want to take with me. Okay, but that's the Sun Buddy. Okay, with this, I'll be able to carry the extra stuff into camp and out of camp. Okay, it's well built. I bought it on Amazon for $200. At the moment, you can get them for $170, I believe. I looked the other day, but yeah, with some Oki straps, you can carry a big load. It actually come with the cargo netting, but I got rid of the cargo netting because I didn't like it. Oki straps will work better. But yeah, that's the Sunbuddy. Okay. Keep that under my bed. But I will be going out very soon. I'm just waiting on my power station. And I'll be headed out to the Georges River. Okay, now I want to show you my kit. Because last video I showed you a kit that was prepped for summer camping. And I've got some slight differences to my pack now. Still weighs 10 kilos. But the loadout's different. Okay. If you're wondering, this is a Caribbean 50 litres ops pack. Okay. I bought it at Anaconda for $130. Okay. That's my chest bag. Nothing's changed there. But in the front pocket, I keep an extra blanket. Okay, it's quite cold here in Sydney, being winter, and comfort is king. So I'm taking an extra blanket. Okay, then I've got all my medical items in the front pocket as well. Full medical kit, toilet paper. Okay, now in this front pouch, I was keeping a tarp, but I got rid of the tarp because I got a tent in here now. Okay, and the tent is perfect, even in wet weather. Okay, so the tarp's not necessary, but in the front pouch, I keep my machete. This is a Gerber machete, I think it's called the Trail Finder. Okay, I've tested this on Australian hardwood and it works perfectly. Okay, a really good machete. Works well. So I'll be taking that with me and it gives me a bit of a confidence boost for self-defense. In the top pocket, I've shown you that I keep my H5R Core LED lenser, 500 lumen rechargeable head torch. But I also keep a small radio too. Okay. Okay, so in the main compartment, things are different. I was keeping a bunch of different food here. I had pasta, I had noodles, I had some canned food and chocolate, but I got rid of all that and I just went with backcountry dehydrated meals, freeze dried. Okay, I've got 3 packets in here. Thai chicken curry, spicy beef nachos, and I've got spaghetti bolognese. Okay, and that should be enough for 24 hours. Then I also keep my hot chocolates and my miso soups, my tea and my spork. Okay, so I got rid of the bivvy and I now use Mountain Designs Red Line 1-person hiking tent. Okay, the weight is 1.5 kilos. 3-season tent. I've used it a couple of times before in the wet weather, and it performs perfectly. Okay, really good tent. It's actually featured in my intro. Okay, if you want to see it set up. Then I've got my rain gear. My cape rain gear, bought at Anaconda. Okay, pants and jacket. Really packable. Then I've got my sleeping bag. Wanderer Light Flame. Weighs 1.2 kilos. Rated for 0 degrees. I'm waiting on a power station, but I've got my leads in a waterproof bag. Then I've got my stove, which I use to boil my water. And in here I've got my gas stove and a scour. Okay. You're probably wondering, where's the sleeping mat? That's a recent purchase. It's on this side. This is the sleeping mat I'm using. It's got an R value of 4, so it's all season sleeping mat. And I bought it on Amazon for $89. A company called Anaconda. Okay, so it's designed for British weather. It's brand new. I'm going to test it out and review it and see how it goes. But I think it'll be a good mat. Much better than the Kmart one I was using before. And on this side, I've just got 30 meters of paracord. Okay. So there's the differences with my kit so far, and this is my winter kit. Okay, it approximately weighs 10 kilos. I'm loving this pack, guys. Now I take this around the block with me just to test the weight and for some exercise, and it feels really comfortable. Okay, if you're in the market for a pack, check out the Caribou 50 liters Ops pack. Okay, it's worth checking out. Good pack. Okay, then I've got my chest bag, and if you want to see the contents for this chest bag, check out my earlier video. Yeah. The only difference is I use Garmin E-Trex 22X opposed to the flagging tape and compass. Okay, so for navigation I just use a GPS. I've got a drone, so the footage should be good. I purchased the DJI Neo. Haven't even taken it out of the box yet. I'll get to that when I get to that. But yeah, I've got a drone now, so the footage should be good. Okay, so please like and subscribe. It really helps me out. Thanks for watching. Adios.